So in this video, I'm gonna build my entire app talking to AI. Okay, so here we are in FastShot AI, and I'm gonna show you step by step what I'm doing. So the first thing is the prompt, as I'm picking up where I left off based on the last video. So this is our prompt. A mobile app that helps founders and aspiring app builders discover underserved niches with real monetization potential. Users describe their interests or skills, and the app uses AI to surface trending markets, competitor gaps, and revenue estimates. So here's what Niche Quest is. Niche Quest is the name that FastShot has assigned to my app. And it's giving me here the outline. So this is the design and visual style. Everything here is the first component, design and visual style. Then core features and functionality. So yeah, onboarding and skill mapping, discovery engine, prompt to niche, etc. Insights library, save bold niche comparison, trending markets feeds. And then the phase 5 is monetization. So this is the core features, all of this. Then it's giving me the user journey summary. And then it's giving me an image, which for now, so I can show you for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna approve. So I'm gonna click on approve. Okay, and here we are. So it took around 10 minutes. And you can see here everything that it has done. So you can see here in the left bar is every single thought that it had to go through to, provide this outcome. Now it's saying, Niche Quest is ready, architecture, 22 files. So it tells me the navigation flow and it's telling me what's implemented. So now I can start testing the app. So let's start testing the app. This is the preview over here. And it's gonna start with, as you can see here in the features, the guided onboarding. So if I go back, the screen 1 is the skill selection. So what are your core skills? I'm gonna put marketing, finance, and analytics. That's why I consider are my core skills. I'm gonna click on continue. What excites me the most out of these? I could add more options, but among the ones that Niche Quest has selected, which is the app FastShot Build Me, I'm gonna say I'm mostly interested in SaaS, e-commerce, and creator economy. Well, why not AI? Why not? What's your ambition? I would like to really do two, micro SaaS and agency. I'm way past the point of a side hustle for me. But let's select, okay, I can select both. So I'm gonna say micro SaaS for now. And it's gonna start discovering. So now that the onboarding, which is the phase 1, is complete, you can see 3 out of 3 cards have been completed. The second part is the phase 2, the discovery engine. So in the discovery engine, there's a search bar here. So this was executed, and there's an analyze button using text generation from FastShot AI. So there is also a trending library here. So you can see here, I'm gonna go to trending, and I can start browsing by category. So it's giving me 12 opportunities. Digital product bundles. Okay, this is interesting. This is not bad at all. So let's check this. Digital product bundles. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. So yeah, I personally don't see anything. So when I click, nothing happens. I'm just showing you my testing. This is exactly what I see. If I go to the discovery, let me put here online course creator machine. Let's see. Aha, look at this. It's not bad. So there is automated course creation tools, high potential 82 score. There's a 143% year after year growth. Market saturation, low competition, deep dive report. Okay, not bad. So look at all it gives me. Pain points, time-consuming course creation process for creators, high cost associated with hiring instructional designers, difficulty in scaling course offering, competitor gaps. Okay, I like this. Monetization blueprints. So I can save this. I'm gonna save it. And now you can see this in my library. Now in the trending, I don't like the fact that I can expand on the trending market. So I'm gonna type my message and I'm gonna provide some feedback. So I don't like the fact that I can click on the trending market opportunities. So I'd like to be able to expand on any of the trending market opportunities and be able to save them to my library. With that said, just for illustrating the purposes of this app, I want to go ahead to the next step, which is going to be connecting to the monetization. So I don't know yet how much I'm going to charge, to be honest, but I want to make sure it's monetizable. So I'm going to click on monetization. So it's asking me to go to Adapty. So I need to create an account in adapty.io. Then I need to enter my API key and placement ID above, and finally ask the AI to set up in-app purchases in the app. So I'm here in Adapty. Okay, so I'm going to sign up. Okay, so I just completed the sign up process. Now it's asking me what's my app name. So I'm going to put this niche quest. Category, it's technically a productivity app. So I'm going to click on continue. I don't have any of these yet. So Adapty installation guide. So it's giving me this. So I clicked on skip and I'm going here in the app settings. I'm going in general and I'm gonna go here to API key. So I need to put the Adapty API key, which is right here, and then the placement ID, which I honestly don't know what's the placement. So I'm gonna go here to placement. I'm gonna go here and create placement. Okay, I'm just gonna call it paywall. No idea here, to be honest, how to set the placement ID. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how to set the placement. I'm putting default here. Yeah, I'm stuck here. So for now, just for the purpose of this video, I see that the Adapty configuration is already done. So the monetization, the in-app purchases, it's already configured. So going back to the project, I'm gonna click on go back and I'm gonna do the following. Honestly, I have no idea how much to charge, so I'm gonna do this. Let's create a paywall, making it up to 5 free library of projects per month, niche ideas, and after that, it's gonna be $10.999 per month for unlimited niche ideas and reports. Again, I have honestly no clue how to price this. So for now, that's what I'm gonna put. So it's giving me a paywall. I mean, ironically, the app itself has a paywall to continue building. So I'm gonna click here on 25,000 credits. And there is a promo code that I have. And I'm gonna insert it. And for now, I'm gonna finish the video here. I'm gonna cover more next week when we talk about beta testing and getting my first users. So I'll see you next week. Stay tuned for the next updates.